Hello, everyone, and welcome to the YouTube channel of Keyapp, the company that helps your applications to achieve top positions in the search list on Google Play and App Store. And today we are going to discuss the news of mobile world and App Store optimization for April 2025. If to be honest, this month wasn't so rich for some news and updates as some previous months, but still, on one hand, it is really good news for us as we do understand that we shouldn't adjust to some changes and updates from Google Play or App Store. But on another hand, we do understand that they can release some updates later and there will be a lot of them. But still, we have some news both from Google Play and App Store, so let's start. First of all, it is needed to mention that Google has introduced a new metric called Opens, and as Google say, this metric shows the number of users who installed the latest version of your application and opened it at least once a day from the application page on Google Play. So in general, as we do understand, this metric doesn't show the opens of the apps, but it still shows the opens of the application from the app page on the store. If to be honest, we are not sure how useful this metric will be and how it can help developers to optimize and promote their application, as we don't understand that most users who have the application installed on the device do not open the app from the store and they open the app directly from the device. But still, this metric can be shown and can be found in two sections in Google Play Developer Console. The first one is Grow Users Listing Conversion Analysis, and the second one is Grow Users Store Analysis, Store Listing Analysis. At the same time, we have some updates from Google Play regarding the policies. So on April the 10th, Google announced new policy requirements, first of all, for news apps and secondly, for personal loan apps. So these apps should be adjusted to the new policy mentioned on the Google Play developer website. At the same time, if we are talking about App Store, we remember that actually there were a lot of updates regarding the store, the search list, the search keywords, as well as some artificial intelligence news. This month, there are no news regarding Apple, but still remember that there was a kind of freeze on this store that lasted for a really long time if it to be compared with previous freezes on this store. And for now, actually everything is perfectly on App Store and the results of promotion are really great. So everything went back to normal. And in general, some people told that it is the end of keyword promotion on App Store, but it is not true as we see, and the results observed for now are really great, and you can continue working with Apple on our platform so to achieve top positions in the search list. And if we are talking about Apple and as well that everything is fine with promotion on this store now, we do not forget about our personal news that actually we decreased the prices for Apple promotion, and now you can promote your applications for keywords even cheaper and even more efficient, and for now you can use higher number of installs for the same budget. So if you would like to know all the news about App Store optimization and mobile world, just subscribe to our channel and do not miss our episodes. And still, if you have some questions regarding keyword promotion or our service in general, do not hesitate to contact our support team or your personal manager, and we will be happy to help and create the strategy for your application promotion.